So you know when you're at home and like everything's all over the place, like you can't find your keys because you got shit everywhere, you got like your clothes on the ground or whatever. It's just hard to find what you're looking for. Your computer is the same way. So if you don't like organize your information online, like your content's like all over the place, you can't really get to what you need to get to. And some people are really good at accessing the content that they have, and you see it and they're producing it, and maybe they're successful because of that. You need to do the same thing. You have to organize your content. So I always recommend Obsidian because I truly believe it's the best way to organize your online content. I'm either usually in this state of like feeling super organized, feeling like I'm really productive, or I feel like I'm just straight up empty in my head. Like I feel cluttery inside, but I feel empty at the same time because I feel like I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I feel like I'm supposed to be doing something, but I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. And Obsidian's checklist really helped me with that. And all you really have to do is hit the little dash mark, make a bracket, space, and another bracket, and it'll make a checklist. And that is just so simple, but like when you wake up every day and you see the checklist of the shit you have to do every day, it'll make it just that more likely that you get it done. And also, if you just feel blank, like you don't have anything on the checklist, let's just say you feel super blank, you can use the Excalibur, just start drawing and putting images or anything in there. Cause like, I feel like when you start to use your creativity in different ways, that's when you really get these ideas, and that's when you know exactly what you want to do because you've made a game plan. And it's just as simple as asking the question of like what I want. When you know exactly what you want in life, it's easy to like go towards it. But a lot of times we don't really question what we want. That's like getting in a plane and just flying in the air but not knowing where you want to land. You're just gonna circle all over the earth, but you're never gonna land anywhere. You're probably gonna run out of gas and then end up in the ocean somewhere. So yeah, I recommend you dump everything in your Obsidian vault, and I can help with this if you really need to. But you need to put everything inside of your Obsidian vault so you have a place where your unclutteredness or your disorganization has a home and you're able to search it. You can try to use your Finder on your MacBook or like whatever the Finder is called on the window. But the problem with that is it's not a really good way to search those things. You can search like the name of the video, but you can't search like what was going on inside of the video or the text. So yeah, that's what I got for you today. If you're new to Obsidian, just watch some of my previous videos where I go more in depth about certain tools and how to really get started inside of it. And yeah, like and subscribe if you like content like this. I'm gonna keep putting it out. Peace.